So if you've been thinking about putting up your own business na ngayong 2024, bago matapos itong 2024, the healthcare business is booming. Kumpara sa mga food business na may mga rekado, may mga sangkap, may mga iangkat ka pa, may mga bibiling ka pa, at sangkatutak na hirap. The healthcare business is booming. Obviously, we're selling our physical therapy clinics, lalo na sa mga Cebu, Mandaluyong, Mandaue, Bohol, yung mga Mindanao, like Cagayan de Oro, Pagadian, ano pa ba, yung Dipolog, Ipil, Zamboanga City, kasama rin yung mga Bicol areas obviously, and then yung mga Tacloban, Calbayog. Even Tayabas, Quezon is also being sold, no? Saka yung Nueva Ecija, like Santa Rosa and Zaragoza. So if you're interested in getting to a healthcare business na obviously pandemic-free, no? Talagang nag-boom pa rin kami kahit ng pandemic. Come check us out. Lalagay ko yung number ni Alan sa ni Kuya Vic sa description. Pakitawagan sila. At kung talagang interested kayo, mag-set kayo ng appointment. Come in person.